Hello beautiful people. Losing extra fat remains at the forefront of the wish lists for most people. We all understand that we are extremely prejudicial to carry excess pounds in our bodies. Being overweight brings with it a high degree of risk, including chronic diseases. Is your overweight body making you a slave? Are you one of those trying to shed a few extra pounds without some trend diet, fitness plans, exercise gimmicks? Have you done everything previously but nothing came off? If so, then okay. But now, what if you were given a chance to reach your dream body, without all the gimmicks, what would you do? That sounds great, right? Yes, that may be the dream of many people. However, in this video, I'll share a wonderful discovery of LeptoConnect, the most powerful, pure, and healthy fat-burning supplement. What is LeptoConnect supplement? LeptoConnect Capsule is a 100% herbal blend formulated to help you shed weight by inhibiting the absorption of fat. Such nutrient-rich products contain the required amount of 18 good quality plant extracts and vitamins. LeptoConnect supplements are easy to swallow. The product is delivered in bottles. The LeptoConnect supplement is a natural revolutionary drug that enhances leptin receptors to act better. This product features a completely natural approach that can remove unnecessarily hidden fat cells inside our bodies. The LeptoConnect pill consists of an antique combination of 3 ingredients. These components are natural and adequately powerful to shed off the fats from all over the body. All 3 components are considered therapeutic and holy mushrooms. They include maitake. This ingredient denotes the king of mushrooms. Maitake prevents the accumulation of fats in the body. Instead, it tends to burn fat in the body. Reishi. This is the chief protector. Reishi promotes emotional well-being and brain mechanisms. Shiitake, also known as wild black mushroom, shiitake activates food receptors, stimulates the development of brain tissue, and decreases healthy cholesterol. This natural formula can prevent fat accumulation. It can strongly help the brain tissue development to provide adequate leptin production to provide a safe fat loss and lower cholesterol level effectively. This contained different phytosterols, nutrients to easily feed the brain receptors, thereby enhancing intercellular connectivity and strengthening the leptin satiety signals. It also can boost the amount of libido in your body. Why should you use LeptoConnect weight loss capsule? There are various benefits or reasons why you may need to invest in this weight loss supplement. These benefits make this program ideal to adopt to shed off excess weight from your body. Some of these benefits include: LeptoConnect pills are a great fat-burning means that can easily and efficiently help the body get rid of unnecessary heaps of fats. You'll get stronger bones, teeth, and good-looking nails. Via natural ingredients that do not have any side effects, the supplement burns fat and can enhance your health. It'll render the immune response better than ever before. You are not likely to find a disease that invades the body again. There's no reason to keep your stomach bare or adopt strict diet programs to lose fat. Do what you've been doing. These pills will do the rest of the work for you. Once your skin is effulgent and sparkles, transforming your overall color to appear lighter, you can notice the difference. Al Natural. The LeptoConnect supplement contains 18 natural ingredients that render the use of it 100% healthy. Approved and recommended by experts. The drug is approved by the FDA and manufactured in the USA. A healthy diet alternative. A strong solution to some other food program or strategy. An effective and quick weight loss program. The root cause of the extra fat accumulated is aimed to lose the fat rapidly and efficiently. Free from toxins and chemicals. No additives or contaminants have been applied to the products and may affect the well-being of someone. The money-back guarantee. The plan offers you a money-back guarantee for 60 days and a bonus bundle as an add-on. To conclude, LeptoConnect supplement have 60 pills in one bottle, which is the supply for your month. A month is appropriate to see improvements within you. You'll see how fat burns down quickly off your waistline, thighs, and shoulders. Soon, you'll be able to restore that trust. It's all confirmed because thousands of customers have always sought and left constructive feedback on their page. It is your opportunity if you too want to conquer obesity. Hurry up until they run out of stock, this deal won't last for long. Check the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.